going to be designing a holiday card. I wanted to show you guys how to start. And every time that you do start a new project, you should be looking at the assignment sheet that is listed in your assignment on Google Classroom. Specifications that are listed, and everyone knows that you're going to come up with 3 sketches first. So you'll come up with your little thumbnail sketches, then you're going to turn it into a little bit more of a comp. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and start your finish. But right now I want to show you how to create your document so that it's done correctly for upload. You're going to create your cards on a 8.5 by 11. It's regular paper size. So I'm going to do it first on Illustrator, then I'll show you how to do it on Photoshop in case you're using Photoshop or Illustrator. So in Illustrator, I'll launch, go to File, New. Now, if this is not set to inches, make sure that you set it to inches. So you're doing 8.5 by 11, and you want to make sure that it's horizontal. So you want to make sure that this shows up. So your height should be 8.5, and automatically it selects that it's horizontal, and 11 is your width. You don't have to worry about dots per inch in Illustrator. So let's create, zoom out a little bit. Now what I want to do is create another artboard for my back of the inside of the holiday card. So what you can do is make sure that you're set up as Essentials Workspace, Essentials Classic. So you could go to Window, Workspace, Essentials Classic. If you're already set here and you don't have all of the different menus up here that goes with Essentials Classic, you can reset Essentials Classic and it'll reset it to this point of view. Go in to Window, show your artboards, which is down here. Drag it out, open it up, and I want to create another artboard. So that could be my front, this could be my back. I want to show rulers, is Command R to show your rulers. So you want to go and kind of cut your paper in half. So you want to go to 5.5. It should be, let's see here. If you double click on the corner here, it'll give you the correct dimensions there. So we'll go 5.5 inches to cut it right in the center. And then on the second one, you can click the corner here, drag out so that it resets your rollers for that page over here. Then you want to go 5.5, so it's right in the middle there. So you can start designing where, let me go back to the assignment sheet real quick. The back should be over here. It'll be back. The front. Front is here. And then the inside looks exactly the way it is. So this will be inside left. This will be inside right. Right, so this could be how you design your Illustrator version. You go to Photoshop, you go to File, New, and you open up a new document by creating, make sure that the settings to inches, the width is going to be 11, and the height will be 8.5. And every time you're using print, you want to make sure that your resolution is 300 dots per inch. We went over this in an earlier assignment. All right, so this could be your front. So I would create a folder and call this my front. So I could design creating layers I'll design in this folder for the front, and when I create my back, I can use another folder and then just say back. So I'll get rid of the front when I'm creating the back. So this is my front. And the same thing with seeing where the half page is or where the fold is. You can drag out a ruler out to 5.5 inches, and this could be your back, your front, and then when you go over, let's call this inside instead of back. So this would be front, back, and then your second folder could be the inside. So when you're working on your front and back, you're just working in this folder. When you're working on the inside, you're working in this folder. So you're just adding layers and creating however you're creating here. So that'll be the inside, and you might have something here, and then on your front and back, when you're working on that, the front could be here, and then the back, which has the information, would be here. I want you guys to make sure that you're creating something that looks good. You know, I don't want you to do something like this where it takes you 2 seconds. This is going to last a week. I want to see something that looks sort of close to or even better than what I had in the past. So this is one of the ones in the past that someone took the time in making. But I would like to see something that is at the level where it looks like a holiday card you would see in the stores. These are all student files from past student files.